Okay, time to take a look at the YIYEIE Flex Head Ratchet Handle Set. Okay, so that's pretty nice. We got the 1/2 inch, 3/8, and the 1/4 inch driveway. They also got a couple of extensions on here as well, so that is very cool. So we can see this is the flex head, and they have a detent in here to actually hold it in place. So when you need to take this guy and you need to put it in a tight area, it will actually stay there, so you don't have to worry about this thing flopping around. It can travel a full 180 degrees. Ooh, for a 72-point ratchet, this is actually a very smooth ratchet, which is great. It is reversible, and it is a quick release. So that is going to push out the pin, which will drop that detent ball, which means that when we release it, it is going to hold on nice and tight. It also means if we need to work one-handed, we can still do that. We can drop out our sockets, we can put new sockets on while the other hand is occupied. Oftentimes when you're underneath a vehicle, that can actually be pretty important. The extension is chrome vanadium. It has a detent ball in the end, but it also has this knurled handle, so if you need to spin sockets without having the ratchet attached, you can do that. I do like that they put all these cutouts in here so you can easily pull these things out too. So that's nice. 3/8, more of the same. Yeah, these are very smooth feeling ratchets. So that is nice. That means it doesn't have a lot of back drags, which means that if you're trying to pull something off and you don't have enough room to actually get your fingers on to grab that socket, you'll still be able to turn that bolt. You can see that there are a couple bolts in there, so if we need to, we can take those things out, we can pull that plate off, and then we can re-grease all the pawls and everything in there if we need to. Oh yeah, these are super smooth feeling ratchets. Okay, so that is great. Yeah, that is a very nice feeling ratchet, and that actually came in handy right away. So that is an awesome set.